Everyone wants a better life. Everyone dreams of a better job, one that gives respect, peace, and pride. But very few get it fast, not because they aren't capable, but because they're waiting for someone to choose them. Let me tell you something. You don't wait for opportunity. You create it. Your dream job won't knock on your door one morning. It will come when your skills and your mindset are ready to open that door. Stop sending hundreds of resumes without purpose. Stop chasing titles. Start chasing value. Companies don't hire certificates, they hire solutions. So ask yourself, what problem can I solve better than anyone else? That's where your dream job begins. Your resume doesn't need to be long. It needs to be loud. Loud with results, not words. Don't say, I worked hard. Say, I created impact. Show them your worth before they ask for proof. Because in this world, confidence backed by skill is louder than any degree or connection. When you walk into that interview room, remember, they're not testing your memory, they're testing your energy. Speak like the job already belongs to you, not because of arrogance, but because of preparation. You studied, you practiced, you earned your right to be there. The best answer you can ever give in an interview is confidence in silence. The look that says, I'm ready. Time is your biggest weapon. Every hour you waste scrolling, someone else is preparing. Every night you sleep early without planning, someone else is writing their tomorrow. The truth is simple. You're not late. You're just not consistent. Consistency beats intelligence. Consistency beats luck. Consistency builds dreams. Your dream job isn't waiting on some website. It's waiting inside you. It's hiding behind your laziness, your fear, your excuses. The day you decide to push past all that, that's the day your life changes. Not slowly, not maybe, but definitely. Don't beg for a job. Become someone a company can't afford to lose. Don't chase opportunity. Prepare for it. Because when preparation meets opportunity, that's when dreams turn into reality. Your dream job isn't far away. It's waiting for the best version of you. So become it. Become ready. Become unstoppable.